Welcome to Summary Cafe. In today's video, we'll break down the key differences between assets and liabilities. Let's dive right into it. What is an asset? First, let's understand what an asset is. An asset is anything you own that has value and can potentially bring in income or appreciate over time. Some examples of assets include cash, real estate, investments, personal assets like jewelry or vehicles, and intellectual property such as patents or copyrights. In short, assets are things that put money into your pocket and help you build wealth. What is a liability? Now, let's look at liabilities. A liability is anything you owe that takes money out of your pocket. Examples of liabilities include loans, mortgages, credit card, debt, bills, and taxes owed. Liabilities represent what you owe, and they can limit your financial freedom. Let's compare assets and liabilities. Assets help you earn income or increase in value over time. Liabilities take money away from you through payments, interest, or depreciation. For example, owning a house can be an asset if it increases in value or earns rental income. However, the mortgage on the house is a liability. The key difference is that assets build wealth while liabilities drain it. How assets and liabilities impact net worth. Your net worth is calculated by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. To calculate your net worth equals total assets minus total liabilities. If your assets are greater than your liabilities, you're in a strong financial position. If your liabilities exceed your assets, you may face financial struggles. The goal is to accumulate assets and reduce liabilities to improve your net worth. Importance of managing both. Managing both assets and liabilities wisely is essential for financial success. Here are some tips. Work on increasing your assets by investing in things like stocks, bonds, or rental properties. Focus on minimizing liabilities by paying off high-interest debts and avoiding unnecessary loans. Not all liabilities are bad. Some, like a mortgage, can help you grow wealth if the property appreciates in value. But always make sure the liability is manageable and leads to long-term gain. The key is to make your assets work for you while keeping your liabilities in check. Examples of real-life asset versus liability. Let's look at an example. You buy a rental property. The property increases in value and earns you rental income. This is an asset. You take a loan to buy the property. The loan repayment, along with interest, is a liability. You can grow your wealth by acquiring income-generating assets and reducing liabilities that drain your money. To summarize, assets help you grow wealth, while liabilities can hold you back. Building wealth means focusing on acquiring assets and managing liabilities. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Summary Cafe for more concise insights. See you next time.